Femis, welcome back to another video. I hope you are well and you are in good health. Remember, we are just a South African food content channel and we cook what we have in the house. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share the video. Now let's get straight to today's video. Today we are going to cook macaroni, right? Pasta. Okay, so I'm showcasing my ingredients. That's macaroni and my black bacon. Please don't ask me why is my bacon black. You know that the moment you open bacon, it changes color. So don't come here and say, sure, like a bacon. Hey, anyway, already my macaroni is already boiling there. Yeah, and then I cooked off camera. I cooked my bacon aside. I'm trying to cut it. The bacon says nope. I'm saying bacon, it says nope. I said, okay, we shall see who's the boss. I pull out my weapon, scissor, a whole scissor. And please, disclaimer, this scissor I'm not using on the other side or the other part of the body. It's a kitchen scissor. I know it doesn't look like a kitchen scissor, but this is the scissor that I use in my kitchen. So make sure you also you get yourself a kitchen scissor. I would just get ring. Or so shumisha ngo kata mapepe abana wata katana magayona a erga squad. So yeah, ke nna mala ke a kata ke re betsenya go katiwa ka thipa ka ra ke tla go ile ka scare ngwana go hae and ka stress na will cut you and you'll be cuttable. So anyway, I'm chopping the bacon. Make sure that you cook, I don't know man, cook it you make it a little bit hard. It shouldn't be soft. It must be a little bit hard. You see the way I'm cutting it, it's a little bit hard. It's more like a biltong. Yeah, something like that. So after ke chela ka garaga bawlo, ke chela ka my bowel. Yes, one thing about me, I'll show you things. Things shall be shown unto you. Okay, this is my raw broccoli. I know the little ones, this current generation, they say broccoli. Hey, I'm from the Bantu education. I'm not here to express, I will speak the English that I was taught during the Bantu education, during the time where we were skipping them bullets, okay? So yeah, there's a raw, what is this, broccoli? All right. Raw broccoli. In our language is broccoli. All right, raw. And make sure that you wash it. I washed it with salted water. You put salt inside your water and you wash veggies that are usually don't cook. For example, your lettuce, your cucumber. So you wash them with salt. However, even if you want to wash them, it is still okay. Now, this is my green pepper, like your green peppers. You boil water. You warm up your water or boil it, put salt and wash them before you chop them. So, unfortunately, you didn't see me washing, rinsing them. So, do not come with your judgation. Anyway, yeah, I'm chopping. If you are a very old gang in this house, a very old family, you know that I hate chopping. I just chop. There's no master of chopping unless if you're a qualified chef. In this house, we are not chefs. We cook what we have in the house. As I'm talking, make sure you drop your comment down there. I'm not going to work for free. Please, cooperate. I'm just saying, Femis, but please make sure that as I'm speaking and pepperizing and shouting and doing all those cheesy. You know we love cheese in this house. Cheese. Everything here fella, like fella, what? The color, it's coloring. Cheesy. So make sure that you subscribe down below. You please like the videos. Please, if you are still thinking of subscribing, at least like the video. So I mixed my aromat, mayonnaise, and sour cream. I think you have seen this sour cream for 100 times already. You see, the reason why is because I want this content to be way too relatable. The things that you have in the house is just a matter of what? Creativity. That is why our our motive or our motto or our slogan in this house. We do what? We cook what we have in the house, and we try and fail, and we never fail to try. Simple. You see? Play with your food. Yeah, come back. Closer. Come. Closer. So, macaroni. Make sure you don't overcook them. Please don't overcook things. Ooh, tiko. She will overcook macaroni. Then kachala my pasta spice. Yeah, kachala my pasta spice. And then kachala lim. Parsley gidita babona motho talk parsley I'm just saying. But make sure that you have parsley. It gives a little bit of nice color. I know broccoli is already there, but then parsley, man. We try and fail. We never fail to try. Look at the mixture. Look at my scary fish. Hey, this one in Betile. I didn't showcase it. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Stay blessed, and I pray that may God bless you and bless your children and bless their children. And yeah, thank you very much. Until again, once more, I love you, families. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. Bye.